In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off predictive text on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on General Management. Following that, access Samsung keyboard settings and tap on this blue switcher next to predictive text. As you can see, after that, predictive text is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!